Hello, I'm Ruslan, and I will show you extra checks for deaf people. Begin by checking if anything is loose. Hold and try to move important parts that are attached to the bike, like the wheel axles, mudguards, and carrier rack. Brakes can have various problems that make noise. The brake pad can be rubbing as the wheel spins. Also, the brake pad can be very worn, with metal rubbing against the wheel. Sometimes, brakes can be squeaking. Check if other parts are rubbing. Are mudguards rubbing the wheel? Is the chain rubbing at the front? Many parts of the bike can make a noise if there is a problem. Deaf people cannot hear these problems, but there are other ways to check.